This video will show you how to make your stream more engaging using helpful tools and mini-games in the Lovense Cam Extension. We'll start with a few useful tools that are designed to greatly facilitate your interaction with the audience and allow you to focus on your show and earn more. The Vibe With Me feature allows your tippers to sync their Lovense toys with your toy, so they can feel what you feel in real time. Works with all cam sites integrated with Lovense. The paid toy sync is available on Bonga Cams and ePlay. Other cam site support is coming soon. The chat box feature allows you to see and respond to messages from multiple cam sites from one window while multi-streaming. The chat box feature supports Chatterbait, Bonga Cams, Strip Chat, Cam 4, and Cam Soda. More cam site support is to come. Set up one or more progress goals for your show. All tips will be added towards the progress bar, and you can choose how your toy will react once a goal is reached. If you set multiple goals, each one will become active once the previous goal has been met. Add some fun to your show. Add personalized gifts which will play when a tip is received, including the tipper's name and tip amount. Choose between preloaded animations or upload your own. Please note it requires the video feedback enabled for the animations to play. Explore the Lovense App Gallery to learn about other useful features like chat display, soundboard, and others. Now we will tell you about the Cam Extension mini-games, which you can also find in the App Gallery. The game element definitely makes the show more fun and makes your viewers tip more. Wheel of Fortune. Viewers can tip for a chance to spin the wheel and win a prize. You decide how much per spin, which prizes there are, and how many chances they have to win. Choose different toys, vibration levels, or non-toy prizes. Dice Game. Choose a tip amount to let your viewers roll the dice. For each value, 2 to 12, you can choose how your toys will react. You may set different toys, vibration intensities, and vibration times for each result. Pop the balloon. Viewers tip to fill the balloon until it pops and makes your toy react. You can customize the toy reaction, balloon capacity, and deflation setting to keep the tips rolling in. Jar Game. Set a token goal amount and have all tips added towards that goal. Once the token goal is reached, the jar tilts over and your toy vibrates while it's being emptied. You can also set a hidden lucky number to give tippers the chance to tip the jar over right away. Lucky number? Set a lucky number to make your stream more interesting. Fans can tip different amounts to guess that number. When they get it right, your toy or toys will react in a special way that you can choose. Slot Machine. Let your fans tip to play the slot machine and get a special toy reaction or a custom prize of your choice. You can set up different toy reactions and non-toy prizes for each result. If you have a new feature or game idea that you think will make the show better and more interesting, please do share it with us. Happy streaming!